Hello everybody, I'm a new head of sales at Forta PRO, and well, I've been part of real estate and construction industry for more than 15 years by now, and I think each of you would agree that construction industry is the most conservative and the most rigid to changes. But I truly believe that in current dynamically changing environment, especially with the challenges posed by COVID, the industry has to change. We are facing increasing pressures with regard to such questions as labor productivity, cost predictability, and schedule performance. And I truly believe that Modular is an answer to many of these questions. So let's innovate the industry, let's build Modular, and let's build with Forta PRO. Thank you.